The overall goal of this experiment is to accurately measure the strain distributions of materials at the micro or nano scale using the 2-pixel or multi-pixel sampling Moiré technique.
This technique can help answer key questions in the field of experimental mechanics by visualizing small deformations to investigate the failure mechanism of materials.
The main advantage of this technique includes high accuracy, large field of view, and strong anti-noise ability for full-field deformation measurements.
The implications of this technique extend toward crack prediction, residual stress evaluation of small materials, and structural health monitoring of infrastructures.
To begin the procedure, place a composite material specimen in an automatic polishing machine set to 150 RPM. Polish one long edge of the specimen with an extra-fine silicon carbide foil for 3 minutes and an ultra-fine foil for 1 minute. Clean the specimen with water after each polishing step. Then, polish the specimen edge with increasingly fine diamond sprays mixed with water-based cooling lubricant, rinsing the specimen with water after each step. Dry the specimen under a stream of air or allow the specimen to air dry. Next, place the specimen in a spin coater and apply 2 milliliters of photoresist designed for UV nano-imprint lithography. Spin coat the specimen at 1500 RPM for 60 seconds. Press a nano-imprint mold with a periodic grid pattern on the photoresist-coated polished specimen edge